let me show you around and introduce you to all of our amazing features. No matter where you work or what industry you're in, Seed can help you achieve more. Our platform offers a wide range of solutions, from AI-generated images to semantic content optimization. Let's jump right in and try one of our most powerful tools, the long-form article writer. With this feature, you can create articles of over 2,000 words, including stock photos, tables, videos, and more, all based on a keyword or topic you provide. In the first step, you'll see a list of related keywords, complete with search volume, CPC, and competitor difficulty. Simply select the ones you want to include. Next, choose a title and proceed to step 2, where you can edit the article's outline and add extra elements like a relevant YouTube video or adjust the writing style. Once you're happy with your outline, move to the final step, where you'll see the full article for the first time. You'll also get valuable SEO insights, including a list of semantic keywords to improve your content's ranking. You can even swap out images. Just enter a search term and select the one you like. Thanks to our direct WordPress integration, you can instantly publish your new article, complete with meta titles, descriptions, and focus keywords for SEO plugins like Rank Math and more. If you need to create content even faster, try our WordPress post scheduler. Simply provide a list of keywords, choose your language, and let our tool generate and publish multiple articles automatically, including the main image, so you can focus on other tasks. Now, let's explore another powerful feature, Pro Mode. This tool lets you use custom AI prompts with additional advanced features. Just type your prompt into the editor, and on the right sidebar, you'll see live recommendations that update in real time. Click on any suggestion to insert it directly into your content. You can also highlight a section of text and use AI to expand, rewrite, or refine it instantly. Our Semantic NLP Writer allows you to optimize existing text for SEO. Just paste your content into the editor, and you'll see real-time SEO metrics and semantic keyword suggestions. Once you're satisfied, you can export your work as a document file. We also offer a Chrome extension that brings AI-powered writing to every website you visit. Just add 2+ signs to your prompt, and the AI will assist you, whether you're composing emails in Gmail or writing articles in WordPress. You can even open a chat sidebar with a simple hotkey to get AI assistance without leaving your current page. And that's just the beginning. Our platform includes many other powerful features, like our social media post designer, AI image creator, custom template maker, and paraphrasing tool. Thanks for checking out our lifetime deal. Make sure to check the description box for more details and grab your deal before it's gone.